Now I'm gonna make some roast asparagus. Welcome back to my channel. So here are the roast veggies. I paired it up with some easy cheesy pasta and some ribeye steak, and I have some little french fries on the side over there. Thank you for coming back to my channel to see some of my recipes and my vlogs. Subscribe and push the notification bell so you can see when I'm uploading videos. And thank you for supporting me and staying with me. So what I'm gonna do is I have these asparagus and I'm just gonna cut the ends off. The ends are kind of rough. And I'm not sure if I want to make some form of chimichurri with it. I was thinking about it. I'm gonna just cut the, see how hard? It's so hard to cut. I'm not making chimichurri with that. I'm just gonna make this asparagus with red peppers. I'm gonna roast it. I'm roasting it. Generally roast it on a flat cookie sheet with foil, but today I'm roasting it in this because I wanted to hold in some of the juices and the spices. I'm just going to cut this red pepper in slices and add it to the pan with the asparagus. I'm going to add them to the pan of asparagus like this. I'm just going to add them in and then I'm going to mix them up before I put the seasoning and olive oil in. So right now, all I'm gonna, the seasoning that I'm gonna use on them is some Lori seasoning, so you know that's my favorite. Some black pepper. Oops, these holes are so big. You have to be careful. Some lemon pepper seasoning. Just a little bit. You don't want it to be too lemony. I'm going to see if I can find something to make a sauce to put on top of it. And some garlic powder. You could use garlic powder or you could chop up garlic, but right now I'm going to use garlic powder. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut up a few red onions and put them on it. Just a little. So I'm just going to slice a couple of red peppers and sprinkle them amongst the asparagus and red peppers. I mean, did I say I'm cutting red peppers? I meant I'm cutting red onions. Alright, so you have to make sure you break them apart so they can be throughout the vegetable. Now I'm just going to pour some olive oil on it. Okay, so now we're just going to mix it around to make sure the seasoning is evenly distributed, and to make sure that the olive oil is evenly distributed. I put the seasoning on before the olive oil because you want to make sure the seasoning is on the vegetables, because if you put the olive oil on first, the seasoning can very easily slip off of the vegetable and go into the pan instead of on the vegetable. Alright, so now I'm just going to put this in the oven on 375 for about 40 minutes, uncovered. So here are the roast veggies. I paired it up with some easy cheesy pasta and some ribeye steak, and I have some little french fries on the side over there. See? So try this nice vegetable recipe of asparagus and red peppers roasted, and I'll see you guys later. Oh yeah, you can look on my channel for these other recipes for the steak and for the easy cheesy pasta as well. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try this recipe. Please ring that bell so that YouTube could recommend my video. Also, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you can get notified when I put up any beautiful recipe uploads or vlogs. I love you all. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.